Good morning, guys. It's AJ. What's up, you guys? Let's go to the home. What you get up to eat? I shouldn't knew anything. So, well, right now, you guys, we are gonna have some pierogies. Ooh, she's explosion. Explosion! So, that's what we're doing. So, I'm just gonna be putting some stuff away. Make some pierogies. So, that's what we're doing.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
So we stopped at Community Living, and what else we are doing
I'm eating cookies.
She's eating cookies.
And then we're gonna go and get our laundry done.
And then what?
Sleep.
No.
Clean.
So that's what we are doing. Hey guys, so right now you guys, I'm just gonna play some games. So that's what we're doing. We're just gonna be relaxing. So that's what we're doing. She's just in the shower right now. Pretty soon I think we are gonna possibly record a video. And then also possibly, oh sorry, I'm just really exhausted, tired, so possibly we are gonna make some cookies. Yeah, we are possibly making some cookies, so that's what we're gonna do. This is gonna be fun. So that's what we are doing.
Hi.
They're crazy.
Wild Gareth in the market.
They're wild.
Sure, yes. Let me get one.
What's up, guys? Gareth is driving again. We bought cheesecake. He's excited about the cheesecake.
Now she's more excited than me.
So this is the cheesecake we got. This is not sponsored by President's Choice, by the way. We got cherry, and we got wild blueberry. And he's so excited.
For which one?
For both. The blueberry. Well, he was asking about blueberry cheesecake today. And we were talking to my mom about cheesecake. So now we want cheesecake. And we're going to go and get the laundry. We can't tell you why.
Yes, we can.
Can we? Do you want to tell them, Gareth?
We can tell them.
We want to pre-plan for some stuff, don't we?
Way too much stuff.
Way too much stuff. So we've been talking to my mom about desserts. Right?
Lots of things.
So that's what we're doing. Well, we're not doing anything. We're going to go to the laundromat, so Gareth is going to get into the right lane.
No. This is not the right lane.
Oh, okay. Never mind then. I don't drive. I should shut up.
No, because now it's not Exo.
Yeah, don't you have to go down more?
No, you go down one, then go down this one.
Okay. Well, that's what we're doing. This is a minute clip, so I should hang up.
So right now, you guys, we are making some chocolate chip. I mean, maybe chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. I don't know. Maybe. Do you want chocolate chip?
We'll do regular chocolate chips.
We need to use these up too.
Well, we will, but
Same with the butterscotch. We are not going. I don't think we will use it that much.
the chocolate ones.
We have lots of chocolate. So that's what we're doing. Making peanut butter cookies. Rachel's just putting peanut butter in.
Okay.
Add more. Finish all that.
Oh my gosh, these are going to be very peanut butter.
We like peanut butter. Is that even a word, peanut butter? But we are making extra peanut butter cookies. What do you have?
Cheesecake.
Woo! Cheesecake! Yum, yum, yum! Yum, 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 yum. It's good?
Mm-hmm.
So good. So, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Comment down below what's your favorite kind of cheesecake. So, goodbye.